Basically the same thing again on this floor. You have panel A1, panel A1 and B1. Again, A1 does that half, B1 does this half. The only thing a little bit different in this room is you'll see a bigger major junction box here. This is all where the panel feeders come from down under up to each floor. So that's all your hots going up. So it's just the main area, that's all. Same thing in this panel here, you'll see I had it in here and I had everything done because we had the whisper rooms marked here. Out in NSCC there, they use a lot of cords around the equipment we were looking at. But there's a lot of blank plates around all that area. There's 2 circuits in every one of them boxes for the whisper boxes.
Okay, yeah.
They were supposed to be a direct cable into them is what it was supposed to be.
Okay, yeah.
But that's not what
That's
came
not
in.
the way it came, no.
I never saw, like when I looked when they first saw the video for them, it showed a cable drop where they would come out to them and plug in. And then the fan would plug in and the lights would plug in, and not plug in, but wiring direct. I guess they must have bought a different style, I guess. But them circuits are all still there. They're not gone. And they're marked here whisper room circuits.
Okay.
Right? They're off, but the circuits are there, right? These panels here, these are 200 amp panels because there's a lot more stuff on these floors. So again, I guess I should have been showing this again. It says panel B1 fed from DP1, 200 amps, 120, 208, 3-phase 4 wire. So when we get in the electrical room, we'll see where all these come from. If you ever lost the whole panel, you know where it's going to be tripped at. So basically, when you come into the building, you got a lot of, if there's a whole suite out, you lost the main panel.
Main breakers, yeah.
Or not the main breaker, just the main, it could be just panel breaker, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
But we'll go through that when we go over there.
Yeah.
I need a cover for that. There is a panel in the boiler room that I'll show you where that's at. There is a comm room right behind us here too, again, like the other comm room. But that comm room's only a little small one. It's only a small little closet. There's one, and just enough for a rack in there. It's not very big. But there's also another, the main comm room is at the end of the hallway, which nobody's patched into. That's just where who is it? Eastlink or it's Eastlink that's in here now, or Bell, if they came in here, would come through that closet to get to this closet and go right up. Like it's all jumpered in between. They just would just come into one closet.